a festive Chinese New Year salad, unique to Singapore and Malaysia. That's what we've got today. Hey folks, I'm Lynn Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com, where today's recipe is going to be. It's a pretty easy, straightforward, festive salad that you're probably not going to find anywhere else but in Singapore and Malaysia. It's a plate of colors, textures, flavors. It's called Yee Sang in Cantonese, Yusheng in Mandarin, or Lo Hei also in Cantonese. In English, prosperity toss salad. Now, Yee Sang and Yusheng simply mean raw fish, and Lo Hei in Cantonese means to toss. So prosperity toss salad. Now, you may or may not know that many of the foods and the celebrations in Chinese New Year are heavy on symbolism. The food, the decorations, the practices, the rituals, the greetings, they are all about good luck, wealth, prosperity, success, long life. And the same thing applies here with Yee Sang. Now, if you'd like to read up more about the culture, the symbolism of each food, whether it's the color, the sound of the food itself, go on over to my blog, Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com. This time the link is up there and you can read up all about it. Let's go straight into the recipe and then we'll see how to put it all together. that's how we put together this platter. And when you're done, you take your crushed peanuts, which you can do in a food processor, in a pestle, with a pestle and mortar. That's completely up to you. Scatter them in a circular direction. And then your sesame seeds. And then your salad dressing. I don't tend to use all of it, perhaps half of it, and then I leave the rest on the dining table for people to help themselves too. So also that way. Be generous, because our sauce, which we made right at the start, as you would have seen, is sweet, savory, nutty, toasty. And then when we're done, I like to finish it off with a tiny drizzle of sesame oil. Our salad dressing already had sesame oil, as you would have seen, but hey, I love the stuff. So there you go. Yee Sang or Yusheng prosperity toss salad. Now all that's left is to take it out onto the dining table, get everybody to toss it up. I hope you enjoyed that. I shall see you guys real soon.